Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, September 14th. We continue with the meditative reflections from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. And today's essay is titled Leaning In. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Melody Beattie. Few situations can be bettered by going berserk. I love that. Few situations can be bettered by going berserk. It was the philosopher Michael Zimmerman who told the story of being a boy in school when someone passed him a pair of Chinese handcuffs, a seemingly innocent, thimble-like casing with an opening at each end. It was passed to him without a word, and of course, through curiosity, he slipped his left forefinger in one end and then his right in the other. Mysteriously, what made them handcuffs was that the more you tried to pull your fingers out, the tighter they held you. Feeling caught, he panicked and pulled harder. The small cuffs tightened more. But suddenly, it occurred to him to try the opposite, and as he leaned his fingers into the problem, the small casing slackened, and he could gently and slowly work his fingers free. So many times in life, our pulling in panic only handcuffs us more tightly. In the small moment, the philosopher as a boy reveals to us the paradox that underscores all courage, that leaning into what is gripping us will allow us to work our way free. Leaning into what's gripping us will allow us to work our way free. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experience of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind a situation you feel stuck in, or a position you are being stubborn about. As you breathe naturally, softly, try to relax your self-protection so you can lean into the situation slightly. Note how this feels. Note if the energy around the situation loosens up a bit. Relaxing your self-protection so that you can lean into this problem. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember that leaning into what's gripping us will allow us to work our way free. See if that works for you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.